Let me show you how you can access your YouTube Studio desktop version on your Android phone. It is very straightforward. If you are the type that has multiple accounts, the first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube Studio. Once you get to your YouTube Studio, it's going to load, and this is the interface you're going to see. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to click on your profile picture at your right hand side at the top, that small picture there. Click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to load. After a little while, click on the profile picture and then it's going to load. So once it's load, the next thing you're going to do is to click on switch account. So now you're going to select the account you want to work on. So this is the account I want to work on. Okay, this is the account I want to access once I get my desktop version. So once you do that, log out. Okay, now close that YouTube Studio. Go to your Google. You can use your Google Chrome or your Google. Okay, so I'm going to use Google. So once you get to Google, go ahead and type www.youtubestudio.com login. www.youtubestudio.com login. So that is what you're going to type. So for me, it is already at the top of my search bar because I always use it. Okay, so this is what you're going to type: www.youtubestudio.com login. So once you type that, you're going to click on it. So that is what you're going to click on. You're going to see a lot of options, but that is the particular one you're going to click on. So once you click on it, you're going to it's going to show you this interface. You're going to see login, YouTube Studio, a lot of them here. So what you're going to do is to scroll up again, scroll up, and then go and click on the login. Click on this login, this first one. Click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to your YouTube Studio, and then from there it's going to take you to the desktop version straight. You don't need to click on anything. Once you click on that one, it's going to lead you straight to your YouTube Studio, and from there to the YouTube Studio desktop version. Okay, so at this point it is loading. So this is the desktop version on your phone. You can see that it is straightforward. So this is the desktop version. You can see your content, you can see your profile picture here. You can upload your video, you can do anything you want to do right on this desktop version. Once you get there, do whatever you want to see. Can you see the videos I have uploaded before now? I'm trying to scroll up so that you can see. You can upload your video from here. You can check your channel, you can reply to comments from here. You can do whatever you want to do that you are supposed to do on a laptop. You can also do it right on your phone. So this is how you can access it. It is straightforward, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.